In addressing the challenge of NordVPN app malfunctions, there are several effective solutions to explore. To commence, initiating an update for the application to its most recent iteration proves to be a fundamental step. This can be readily accomplished by accessing either the Play Store or the App Store, wherein a search for the NordVPN app is conducted. Upon locating the application, users are presented with the option to either open or update it. Opting for the latter facilitates the installation of the latest version, subsequently enhancing the prospect of issue resolution. Additionally, the clearance of cache pertaining to the application emerges as a viable strategy. This process entails navigating through the device's settings menu, progressing towards the general section, and subsequently accessing iPhone storage. Within this interface, users are provided with a comprehensive overview of all installed applications, facilitating the identification of NordVPN. Once pinpointed, the Offload App option is activated, effectively clearing the associated cache. Following this, users proceed to reinstall the application, thereby potentially rectifying the existing malfunction. Should the aforementioned approaches fail to yield the desired outcome, a more extensive measure involves the complete deletion and subsequent reinstallation of the NordVPN application. This necessitates the initiation of the deletion process from the device, followed by a reinstallation via either the Play Store or the App Store, or the App Store. Through the diligent application of these methodologies, users stand poised to address and resolve issues related to the functionality of the NordVPN application effectively. In conclusion, by adhering to the outlined procedures, individuals can navigate and mitigate challenges associated with the non-performance of the NordVPN application, thus optimizing its utility and functionality.